Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vinegar truly is better than bleach at killing mold. In fact, recognizing the bleach as a threat, the mold will grow back even stronger. When bleach is used on porous surfaces like drywall or wood, mold membranes will move deeper into the surface to avoid the chemical.
Let's help you make your mark.
In such cases, a solution of diluted bleach provides the fastest way to kill mold on walls or flooring. Prepare the solution by adding 1 cup of bleach into a bucket that contains about a gallon of warm water. Then proceed to scrub the mold vigorously with a stiff bristled brush you've dipped in the bleach solution.
Take our lead.
Yes, it's absolutely safer than bleach or ammonia or typical all-purpose cleaners, but vinegar contains acetic acid, so you have to be cautious about concentrations. It can burn the esophagus, stomach, eyes and damage eye tissue, so you want to be careful with it around your little ones.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.